Assalamu alaikum, friends. I hope everybody is fine. Thank you so much for your support and subscribing my channel first of all and watching my videos. This video I am making is in continuation with my previous video, which was regarding the labor law number 33 of 2021, which is going to be enforced on 2nd of Feb 2022, which means next year in Feb 2nd. All right. So now in this video, I am going to address and explain one very important topic, which is with reference to the probation period and if the employer or the employee have the right to terminate their contract, and if they do so, what would be the implications as per this new contract, as per this new law. So now, one thing that we need to understand is as per the new law, there will be only one unified type of labor contract which will be for 3 years, and there will not be any limited or unlimited contract, and there will be only one labor contract. Now within this new law, article 9 subsection 1, that explains the procedure if the employer wants to terminate the employee within the probation period. Probation period is capped for 3 months to goes maximum up to 6 months. Within this probation period, if the employer wants to terminate, the employer have to serve 14 days written notice period. With that notice period, the employer have to pay the gross salary to the employee, and after 14 days the contract will be terminated. Now what if the employee wants to terminate? If the employee wants to terminate within the probation period, the employee have to give 30 days written notice period. Now there is another thing as well. If the employee wants to put in the resignation and wants to terminate the contract within probation and wants to go back to your home country, you have to stay there for at least 3 months. Within 3 months, if you want to come back and join another company, you might have to face 1 year labor ban. Second, if you want to terminate your labor contract within probation period and with serving 1 month notice period as well, and you are planning to join any other company, then in that case the company will have to pay and bear the cost of all the employment and visa, medical, all sorts of expenses, and they have to basically pay that back to your ex-employer. Now with that, what would be the procedure, how that will be done? We are still waiting for that still needs more clarification on that. Now there is one more thing which is very important in this new law. If first of all, both parties have the right to terminate their labor contract after the completion of probation period. So for instance, if the employer terminates after the completion of first 6 months of probation and the employer terminates the employee have the right to have 1 day without pay off to find a new job. So but in that way, the employee have to notify the office or the employer or the HR of the company 3 days before they want to take that off within the week. That off will be unpaid, that will not be paid. However, the notice period will be served, and then the contract may be terminated. Now there are a lot of other things as well which needs more clarification. This law is not conclusive. There are more directives, more laws will be issued with more explanation on how these laws will be implemented. We are still waiting for it. As soon as that will be issued or that will be released, I will update you on that. Please keep on following. Please subscribe to my channel. If there is anything, any concern, any question, any clarification, you can ask, you can put your comments in the comment box, and I will be very happy to respond. I hope my videos are helpful. You have a wonderful day, and please keep yourself safe. Please abide by the law. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.